Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here at Flat Gap Farm, we are sharpening our chainsaw using the Ease Do electric chainsaw sharpener. This is a titanium diamond plated bit and it makes the sharpening job so much easier to get outside and cut that wood. So I'll leave a description below. If you like this type of content, come back, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next video.